Thomson Reuters Clear Risk Inform creates a customizable risk score to give you immediate insights into a person or business. To start assessing the risk of your subject, click Clear ID Confirm and Risk Inform Search. You can set up Clear Risk Inform to fit your risk analysis needs. Definition rules allow you to control how it works for your organization. These rules show up in the Definitions drop-downs. Select a rule. Then, complete the orange required fields. Once enough information is entered, checkmarks will appear in the Data Sources section on the right. To proceed, click Run Search. The section at the top shows Clear ID Confirm results. It compares the information you entered to public records to verify the identity of your subject. The results show if data matched, not matched, and/or partially matched. Once you've confidently identified your subject, scroll down to view the Clear Risk Inform search results. The results indicate the level of risk or fraud associated with your subject. Depending on the definition rules you selected in the beginning of your search, certain modules will appear. Each module yields a risk score, and when combined across all modules, it shows you the calculated risk for your subject. The score can be viewed to the right and can be configured to meet your unique risk thresholds. The red box indicates the total number of risk flags found within each module, and the check marks indicate a single risk flag within the module itself. Each risk flag shows you the risk score and name. You can click on the risk flag name to see the underlying record that generated the flag. Grayed out risk flags are risk categories that were searched but did not produce information. You can filter these out in the administrative settings. For more detailed information, click on each module to reveal their associated risk flags. Single risk indicators are potential issues with identity or adverse records. The presence of these risk flags is not necessarily an indicator of risk, but the records themselves may provide additional information about your subject. RTIA, or Real-Time Incarceration and Arrest Records, provide real-time data that is compiled from 2,400 agencies and shows records that were created as recently as 15 minutes ago. This content complements Thomson Reuters' enhanced criminal record data. The Custom module is where you see definition-based flags. It features the specific risks that you selected in your unique definition rule, and includes enhanced tagging on each crime for a more granular look at the subject. The Synthetic Identity module shows you if your subject is using a false identity that was created with real pieces of records mixed with false information. The Web Analytics module displays public social media information, as well as web search results. And lastly, the News module searches the subject across Reuters news sources, supplementing any public records information already uncovered in the other modules. You can compile all of this information into a report. Click Create Report, choose Risk Inform from the drop-down, and click Create Report again. The report shows a summary of all risk flags, scores, and records, as categorized into the different modules. It shows a summary of the risk, the score associated with the risk, and all underlying content tied to the risk flags. Clear Risk Inform is entirely customizable. Use the Administrative section to set definition rules, change the minimum threshold score, and change the modules and risk flags to meet your unique requirements. You can use Clear Risk Inform to search an individual or a business. Just toggle between person and business before you run a search. For business searches, there are additional risk flags. For example, address risk flags check for location-based risk. They are based on NCIC industry clarification codes used by the FBI. Additionally, company details show information about the principals and executives tied to the business. Get the full picture and institutionalized risk assessment with Clear Risk Inform.